Send me all the happy vibes because it's about to get wild. Today we are doing a fun mermaid inspired look. So right now I am just putting on a bunch of polish onto our sponge. So as you can see, we've got a really pretty gradient. And you can switch up the direction of which way the gradients go. Now I'm going to use my flakies, then I'm using retrograde just to kind of give her a little bit of shine. So we're going for that pretty skittled Manny look. Now onto the stamping. Then I'm gonna stamp on her. Voila! It's really satisfying to watch the peel. So if you notice, certain fingers I'm only doing the smudge free, and I'm using our speed dry top coat for the plain nails. Yay! So, okay, here we go. This is our full finished manicure.